Welcome to Taimorx. Today I will show you the Taimox Task Management section. What you're seeing here is the Kanban board for the project. Tasks are laid out across different stages so your whole team can see what's going on at any moment. You can customize the board to fit how your team actually works. In board settings, you can add or rename columns, pick colors for each status. It only takes a minute to set up, and you can adjust it anytime. Once that's done, your board fills up with task cards. Each card shows you the priority, any tags you've added, who's assigned, the due date, and whether there are attachments or comments, all without opening anything. When you click into a task, you get a full view of everything related to it. Under Attachments, you can drag and drop files straight onto the task, documents, images, spreadsheets, so your team always has what they need in one place. The Comments tab is where your team can talk through the task. You can use mentions to bring someone specific into the conversation, which keeps things focused and easy to follow. And if you ever need to look back at what happened on a task, the Activity tab has you covered. It's a full history of everything. There's also built-in time tracking. You can add time manually. Just pick the date, enter the hours, and save. Once logged, you get a daily hours chart showing who spent time on the task and when, plus a detailed breakdown of all entries below. Or if you prefer, just hit Start Tracking, and Taimox Time Tracker does it in real time. And this is just at the task level. Taimox has very solid reporting and financial analysis tools across all your projects, which I'll be showing in the next videos. If a task has a lot of moving parts, you can break it down using subtasks. Each subtask gets its own status, so nothing gets overlooked. And for step-by-step work, the Checklists tab gives you a simple progress bar showing how much is done, really handy for anything with a repeatable process. And that's the task management section in Taimox. Everything your team needs is in one place: tracking progress, collaborating on tasks, logging time, keeping files organized, and always knowing what happened and when. Today we looked at the Kanban dashboard, and in the next videos we'll be going through the task management list, calendar, and roadmap dashboards as well. If you want to try it yourself, Taimox has a demo account available. Just click Try Demo Workspace, hit Login, and go ahead and give it a go. The link is in the comments.